School's in session at Walley Plumbing Company today. So what do we mean when we recommend a video pipe inspection? Well, today I'm going to show you what it looks like and what we're actually doing when we ask you if we can inspect your sewer line, because we have to figure out what's going on. Because usually when we recommend something like that, it's because your line keeps backing up over and over, instead of us just coming out there, getting the clog out and being on our way. Most of the time we recommend a video inspection. It's when you call back the next day and say, hey, something's not right. And so we have to find what it is. So this is what it looks like. So the wind is pretty bad out here, but hopefully you can hear me good enough. Okay, so this is our video camera, and then this is a clean out. And if you've seen our other video about where a clean out is and what a clean out is, this is one way that it's useful. So we've got our camera down in the sewer line, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but we're gonna go down the line a little bit. And if we're looking for a problem here, we're gonna find it. You see that water in the bottom of the pipe right there? That's a coupling. That coupling is two pieces of pipe together. And if there's a problem in your line that keeps backing your system up, we're gonna find it. I just pushed it a little too hard and got down in the water. So you see all that. And when we do this inspection, there's no question as to what's backing your line up. We can see it. We're not guessing. We're not saying, oh, it may be roots, it may be, the line may be backwards, maybe a cracked pipe. You can guess all day, but that just turns into repeated trips coming out there. You see that? That's where two pieces of pipe go together. So it's very clear, and there's no guessing whenever we come out to video your line. Some of the things that could hinder us from doing an inspection, or if the line is backwards as opposed to having the correct amount of fall, the line will be underwater, and the camera can't see underwater if everything's stirred up. We don't want to guess with your money. We want to know what we're doing. We want to know where the problem is and how to fix it. Like right there, that's the city main. That's going into the city main. So that's all the way out at the street right there. And so this line is good. We're at our shop, by the way, so we know there's not a problem here. I just want you to see what's going on and what it looks like, because if we take for granted sometimes that you guys are just gonna know what we're talking about, if you've never had this problem or you never had that recommended, you don't really know. So this is what it looks like. And when we do find a problem, we have a locator that will enable us to pinpoint the location. So let me stop for a second and get that, and I'll show you. Okay, so this right here is our locator. So when we find a problem, we need to locate where it is. So I know where the line is. It's not far from this clean out right here, but this is how we locate it. See those arrows? So if you got a problem right there, it's telling us that's where it is, right there. So we're not guessing anymore. Like when we come out and we video your line, we're not guessing. We see what it is. We can mark it with spray paint on the ground and figure out what to do, come up with a plan, come up with an estimate, and fix it. And then you eliminate the repeated trips out there to clean the line. Because a lot of times if a drain cleaner is guessing and doesn't know what they're doing, they can punch a hole right through whatever the problem is, and it'll drain for just enough time for the tech to get out of the driveway, get down the road, and then it backs up again and you're furious. We know these things from experience, so that's why we invest in this machinery. I mean, this equipment is expensive, but it's a good investment, and when we recommend it to you, we're doing that to fix a problem, so you don't have to keep. We'd love to see you, but we don't want to see you every week with something we could fix. you know, and we'll work on something else, but let's get these drain problems fixed and out of the way. So that's what it looks like to do a video pipe inspection. It's really useful. It's really worth the investment, and we can do it for you. So thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Have a great day.